Now, students, I will tell you how to solve the numericals related with acceleration due to gravity. We will divide our topic in two parts. First part is when the body is thrown vertically upward. When the body moves vertically upward. That means when you throw a body with some initial velocity, how it will move under gravity. Suppose this is our earth surface and we have a body of mass m here. When we throw this body vertically upward with velocity u, then it will surely goes up to some height. Suppose this height is h and the body comes at the maximum height, it will stop momentarily for here and then it will comes down in this way. That means at maximum height, the final velocity of the body is 0. We will always consider v at height is 0 meter per second. Why it is 0? Because at this point the body changes its direction. It will now comes downward. So how we can solve all the three equations with this condition? First one, v equals to u. Now the body goes upward against the gravity. So I will use here minus g. On putting all the values, what we will get? V is 0. So we are left with u minus gt. Or we can simply say u is equals to g into t. In this way, we can calculate the initial velocity by which we will throw the body upward. Now the second equation is h is equals to ut minus half gt square. And the third equation becomes v square minus u square is 2gh. As the value of v is 0 at the upper point, so we are left with minus u square. The value of gravity is minus here, so we will use minus sign also. We are left with an expression that u square is 2gh. We can easily calculate h from here. That is u square by 2g will gives the value of maximum height. So in this way we have derived the smaller formulas, or you can say direct formula, to calculate the value of these parameters. How we can calculate the initial velocity, how we can calculate the time and the maximum height travelled by the body. Now the second part of our question is when the body moves downward. When the body falls down. ऊपर से अगर आप कोई भी चीज नीचे गिरा देते हो तो वो बॉडी किस तरह की इक्वेशंस को फॉलो करेगी. If we drop a body from this height h, suppose this is the height from the earth surface and the height is h, and when we will drop a body of mass m from here, it will comes downward with an acceleration equals to 9.8 meter per second square. And as the body is moving downward, so its initial velocity will be considered as 0. By some velocity, it will hit the ground. How we can calculate that velocity by which this body hits the ground? Again, we will use these three equations. First one is v is equals to u plus gt. Keep in mind, students, here I use negative sign because the body is moving upward. Here I am using plus sign because body is going downward. Here u is 0, so we can easily calculate v as g into t. How second equations get modified? That h is equals to ut, but u is 0 here, so I can simply write it as half g t square. And the third equation will v square minus u square is 2gh. Here u is 0, so we can simply write it like this: v square is 2gh. So these are some short tricks to calculate the distance, the maximum height, the final velocity, the initial velocity or time taken by the body during its free fall. That's all for this topic, students. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section.